Lubuntu 26.04 LTS has landed. A fresh, lightweight Linux experience for everyone. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated lightweight Linux releases of the year. Lubuntu 26.04 LTS, codenamed Resolute Raccoon, released on April 23, 2026. This marks the 30th release of Lubuntu and the 16th with the LXQt desktop environment. It's a long-term support, which is LTS version, promising stability and updates until April 2029. If you are looking for a fast, efficient operating system that breathes new life into older hardware without sacrificing modern features, this could be exactly what you need. Let's break down what's new, why it matters, and who should consider upgrading or installing it. First, why Lubuntu? A quick refresher. Lubuntu is an official flavor of Ubuntu that prioritizes lightness and speed. It uses the LXQt desktop environment, which keeps resource usage impressively low compared to heavier desktops like GNOME or KDE Plasma. This makes it ideal for reviving old PCs, laptops with limited RAM, or anyone who values snappiness and simplicity over flashy visuals. Out of the box, you get a clean, functional setup with essential apps for browsing, productivity, media playback, and more, all while staying true to Ubuntu's rock-solid foundation. Now, let's talk about the key highlights of Lubuntu 26.04 LTS. Number 1. Updated core, LXQt 2.3 and Qt6. This is the first LTS release with primarily Qt6 based environment. The result? Much better theming and consistency for Qt applications. They no longer look drab and now integrate beautifully with the desktop. LXQt 2.3 brings refinements like an improved fancy menu, which is now the default, better panel features, and enhancements across core components such as the file manager, which is Pacman FMQt, terminal, which is Qterminal, and archiver. Power management has also seen improvements for modern compositors. Number 2. Performance and hardware support boost. Powered by the Linux kernel 7.0. A big step up from 6.8 in the previous LTS. It offers better performance, expanded hardware compatibility, and improved support for newer Intel and AMD graphics. Rust-based tools like Rust coreutils and sudo-rs replace some traditional components for potentially better security and modernity. Hardware acceleration, which is VA-API, is enabled by default for Intel and AMD users, which should mean smoother video playback and encoding. Number 3. Refined user experience. Fresh artwork, including new hand-drawn and fractal wallpapers and login screen designs. An improved Lubuntu update tool with a cleaner interface, better notifications, and easier manual update checks. Night color support via Redshift Qt for those who prefer reduced blue light in the evenings. Other tweaks like a refreshed manual icon and additional theme options. Number 4. Default applications. You'll find a solid up-to-date selections. Firefox Snap around version 149, LibreOffice 26.2, VLC 3.0.23, Featherpad text editor, Discover Software Center, and more lightweight essentials. Here is a note on Wayland. A full Wayland session isn't included on the ISO yet. It's still a work in progress. But X11 remains reliable and well supported. Experimental options may appear via PPA in the future. Now, a few known issues. As with any new release, there are some minor points. Kvalet is installed by default instead of GNOME keyring in some setups. LXQt terminal is included alongside Qterminal. Always check the official release notes for the latest details and workarounds. Now, who is this release for? Users of older hardware. Lubuntu continues to excel here, offering excellent performance on machines that might struggle with other distros. Existing Lubuntu users. If you are on 24.04 LTS or 25.10, the upgrade path is well documented. Newcomers to Linux. It's approachable, stable, and comes with great documentation via the Lubuntu manual. Or anyone wanting a no-nonsense, low-maintenance desktop with long-term support. So now, how to get it? Head over to the official downloads page at lubuntu.me/downloads for the ISO. Verify the download with provided SHA-256 checksums for security. You can try it live from a USB before installing. For upgraders, follow the official manual, which is manual.lubuntu.me. Now, final thoughts. Lubuntu 26.04 LTS Resolute Raccoon delivers on its promise. A refined, lightweight, and dependable experience built on Ubuntu's strengths. It's not about revolutionary changes, but thoughtful evolution, better performance, improved visuals, and rock-solid stability for the next 3 years. If you try it out, drop your thoughts in the comments below. What hardware are you running it on? And how does it feel? Like and subscribe for more Linux content. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, stay curious and keep exploring.